I need to do it in my mind. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Shine CV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video. You feel me? We got the big cat out once again. As y'all can see, I don't know what this time of the day is. I guess it's called dusk, but it's in the afternoon, evening, some type shit like that. But you know, we finna go ahead and give y'all boys a POV. This is my first POV after hitting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So you feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and pop out with the POV. Next week, I do got 3 videos lined up. I got a race that I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be letting the Instagram model drive, the Hellcat, and some other videos and stuff that I'm gonna keep posting for y'all and keep y'all up to date with more videos. You feel me? So without further ado, we're finna go ahead and get into this video game. All right, y'all, I am sorry about that. I had to fix the camera because I had it on wrong. Y'all should be able to see a little bit better now. But we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. You feel me? Let's see, we're gonna make a right. We gotta wait till we leave out this neighborhood though, because that's very close to where I live, and I do not need the police coming after me, trying to come up to my house and tow my car. Go to the train track. How did bit sounding to y'all? It sounded good. Do I need to do any more mods? Do I need to do any more mods to the cat? Well, exhaust wise. It sounds pretty good to me though. The downshift sound better though. And I do want to say, I really do appreciate the love and support y'all been giving me. Y'all really been keeping me motivated to do YouTube and stuff, especially by helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. I never thought in a million years that I could reach 1,000 subscribers in YouTube. But that just showed me that, you know, the sky the limit. We trying to hit that 10,000X. After we hit that 10,000, then we're gonna try to hit that 100K. And when I get monetized and I really start making money on YouTube, you know, we're gonna pop out with some more cars. You feel me? We're gonna keep the content rolling and we're gonna keep the content lit. Ain't that right? You ain't stunned my ass, is it? You ain't stunned me, is it? I was actually supposed to be doing the race this week, but I had to, well, when I ordered my tires, it ended up taking longer than I thought for them to actually ship it. So it said that it won't be delivered until next Tuesday. So at the time of this video, what today is, Friday? I got about 5 days until I can get the tires. Then I gotta make sure Buddy got a good schedule so that we can do the race. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm racing, but it is a supercharged V8. Y'all might already know what it is. So I'm really hyped, you know, to go ahead and race that car. You know, another good car. Oh my goodness, why do I always do that? That junk annoying. Like, my car lowered, so when I go over, I can't go over all them bumps. And every time I go over, it's straight. This is the trash road. That's probably why they got these cones and stuff on the side. There go another spot. I think it's another one. Nah, they fixed that bump in the road. Spinning ain't winning. We gotta get out of these tires. I'm talking about got to. I can't wait till they shoot. It's crazy how people always try to race me whenever I'm on a ball set of tires. I love how the sound be bouncing off them trees. I think that car be having, I don't know. I don't know what Dodge would think when they made this. This car sound like it's in hell. Hell no. And that's right. High five. When you gonna start posting your content? They said they want to see the Pontiac Grand Prix, the VA motherfucker. You said what? Oh yeah, if y'all don't mind, please like and comment, subscribe to her channel as well. What's your YouTube name? Spell it.
A capital LIYAHSTV.
Oh, I'm surprised you spelled it right. Ouch! But don't put your hands on me no more. We don't play that over here. That shit hurt. We're gonna make a left. We gotta watch out for these big ass 18-wheelers. Them 18-wheelers will destroy your ass. Yeah, when I tell y'all this car move, bro, this car move. Like, it ain't nothing like it. Like, that Scat, I could never go back to a Scat. I love my Scat, though. I did have a lot of fun in it, but it just ain't this Cat. That Cat a whole different beast. My girl missed my Scat, though. I didn't betray nothing. The Scat is at a better place now. Nah, ain't nobody even bought it yet. I looked on the website. If y'all do end up buying my Scat, it is in Atlanta. It's literally the same exact color as this car. When I bought this car, the one I was finna get was a black Hellcat, but they sold it like a couple days before I was gonna go out there to actually go look at it and try to buy it. So I ended up finding this one, and it was the same exact color. Whoa, nah. I thought you finna try to take me out. Them Brumbos gonna slow that bit down every time. It's gonna slow down the big boat. Here go another deep bump on the horrible Birmingham streets. Make sure ain't no train coming. You like trains? You better not like trains, if you know what I mean. That sound like a lot of bullshit. Y'all need to teach my girlfriend how to drive. Well, how to drive the cat, because that video that you did not too long ago, you were driving this bitch like it was a Prius. Wait, who that is? I ain't never seen that Charger before around here. It probably stolen. You know what? I think I know what Charger that is. I think D Glizzy put that wide body kit on there. I think that's why it look like that. Y'all, do y'all mess with this camera angle? Like, do y'all feel like this a pretty good camera angle to be recording in? These tires feel so unsafe. It feel like they're gonna blow. Do you ever feel like your life be in my hands? Like I could literally just smash into a pole and kill both of us. You ain't never thought about that? Yeah, cause you know I'm a real, what I'm at, corner bender? Real corner bender. This Hellcat gonna make a nigga ear bleed when we drive past. I wonder how long I've been recording. Do y'all like short videos or long videos? Damn. What the crackhead dude doing? Let's see, it's getting real dark out here. Y'all probably can't even see too good. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap the video up right here. This conclude this video. Like I said, I really appreciate y'all helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. I really do. It make me really happy. And I feel like y'all really care about a young brother. But you know, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Like I said, we do got more banger content coming real soon. Just stay tuned. It's coming real soon, less than a week. We're gonna have some good content coming out for y'all boys. So if y'all don't mind, please like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell so y'all are tuned in whenever I drop more videos. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.